So right now, okay? Right now, okay, sir. Hello. Okay, then we can. Uh, yes, yes. Is the screen visible? Hello. I hope screen is visible to all of you. Okay, then we can. Uh, okay, so right now I'm going to start our session. This is a 10 days a career building workshop powered by iiocs. So now I'm going to discuss with you. This is a core stream of food technology. I hope my voice is audible to all of you. You can also chat with me, and if you have any query, uh, freely you can discuss. So, firstly, our organization organized this workshop for all food technology students and who are willing to do a food technology degree. So it is a very important session, and I hope this session will boost your career. Maybe you are a food technologist and you have a degree of food technology, either bachelor degree, master's degree, uh, or phd. So first of all, welcome to this session. This session is powered by iiocs and myself, Amit Kumar Tiwari, and I'm going to discuss with you the scope of food technology. So firstly, you should know why we choose food technology. So, India is a largest democratic country, and most of the people who live in villages and they are involved in farming to produce food, cereal products, cereal grains, fruits and vegetable, animal products like that, milk and milk products, meat. Also, we also involved in livestock. So, we are in a tropical region, and here a very high humidity during the time of summer, very high heat during the time of winter. Temperature goes into the below, and at 4 degrees centigrade 2 degrees centigrade. And if you talk about the high altitude regions like that, upper Himachal, Jammu and Kashmir, and not all North India, so during this time a high cold waves are going on. And we can also preserve food by the help of advanced food technology, as well as we can also produce some type of product which have a high shelf life. So basically, in India, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, this organization initiate how to protect the food, how to maintain safety of the food, and how to produce the food which have high nutritive value. So if you talk about the scope of food technology, so there is a various scope in India. And also in case of different organization who also involved in this food technology, like that, this one is agricultural and processed food products export development. So in this case, this organization established by Government of India and comes under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. So, and also this Apida replaced the Processed Food Export Promotion Council. So basically, this laws, this regulation maintain our food product standard who are willing to export their food product from India to different or various countries. So basically, firstly, I am going to discuss with you FSSAI. Why FSSAI mandatory, and why we follow the FSSAI. So firstly, FSSA, Food Safety and Standard Act, this is established in 2006, and after that in 2008 the authority is established, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. This is also established. After that, in 2011, food safety standards, rules and regulations are effected from 5th of August 2011. So in this case, this authority maintain the food product standard, food product quality, and as well as they give the guidelines to all Indians, to all food business operators to maintain their food product quality. Also, in this category, this one is agriculture and processed food product export development. So, here another scope, you can go after your graduation in this organization, Apida. So time to time, this organization require some officials, and they recruit food technologists. So we have a very high scope in Apida. Also, in past month, the recruitment in FSSAI, which have been scheduled and also postponed this examination due to COVID reasons. So, if you talk about in 2019, the recruitment of food safety officer as well as the technical officer. So already those examinations have been done, and also food technologists and technical officers are recruited. And this is a very good initiative of Government of India to conduct this examination, and without your physical presence, you go online examination, and you do your better and obtained a very good mark, and without interview, without any type of viva, you can select in this organization. So this is a very good initiative and very handsome salary also they offered. So also you can go through Apida. This have a very good organization. So this is the scope of government organizations. So what is the functions of this Apida? So it also promote export of agricultural and processed food, and also involved to growth of our farmers, and also promotion of export product, also safeguard of intellectual property right. It also financial assistance for food safety measures, and give also rewards to food business operators, and also it issues the certificate for export as per schedule. So you can go also in APIDA organization. Apart from FSSAI, we have a lot of and many jobs in these government organizations. Next one is you can also go in VIS. So firstly, most of the students are involved uh, for doing their degree in this stream of food technology. So they want, the first aim of any type of food technologist is they want to make a very good initiative, as well as they want to make a super food as well as the miracle food. So the first aim of food technologist means they want to be a success food safety officer. But apart from this, you also go in BIS. So the eligibility of for BIS, you have only a degree of BTech food technology. And if you are gate qualified, then you can also go in Bureau of Indian Standard. As well as if you talk about this Bureau of Indian Standard established in 1986, and also rephrased and updated version of this act is promulgated in 2016. Make this product. So first of all, this one is infant formula, milk cereal based weaning food, processed cereal based weaning food, and some follow up formula, packaged drinking water, packaged. Okay, you can also chat with me. I hope my voice is audible to all of you. Yes. I think there is a technical problem. Is slide moving? Yes. Any technical person? Okay. So you can also go for okay. Is slide movable? You can also chat with me. Is slide visible? Okay, right. So, okay. So, thank you for response. So, I was discussed about the BIS. So another one is Export Inspection Council. It is also very important organization. So in 2016, this organization recruit some technical officers, and right now some of my friends are working in this organization in 2016. So after that, this organization not recruited any candidates, but there is scope in these organizations like EIC. So you can also go through this website EIC, and time to time this website recruit some of food technologists who have a degree in food technology, a bachelor degree in food technology or master degree in food technology. So basically, in case of master's degree, the eligibility of technical officer is basically master degree, right? And if you have a 2 year of experience, so you can also join this organization. So time to time you visit this website. So another one is Mpeda, Marine Product Export Development Authority, and also it is established by Government of India. So if you have a degree in food technology, you can also go through this organization. You go through this website Mpeda, and time to time this organization publish their requirement of candidate, and they also recruit to candidates. So it is also important, and the basic degree is Bachelor of Food Technology as well as Masters of Food Technology. Now, for next, the spice boards. So this organization also recruit food technologists. So you can also go for this organization, and you can also appear this examination spice boards, and also they recruit some of the GRF, some SRFs. So also you go for this examination. Another one is the function of this spice board is quality certification and control, and promote productivity of spices, new product development, and ensure measure to reduce post harvest losses. So you can go through spice board. Also Agmark. So also Agmark recruit the candidates, recruit food safety of food technologies, right? So time to time you can visit this website, because of most of the student they don't know about these organizations recruited some candidates. So just this is a workshop of awareness which organization is important for us, and where we can apply, whether we have a degree. And now the functions. So this function of Agmark is post harvest grading of agricultural produce, and this also give a quality certification of products, and also ensure the safety of products. So you can also go for National Horticultural Board. So also this organization is very important, and this also recruited food technologists. Yes, you have a degree in food technology. Another one is a coffee board. So we have opportunity in coffee board. So go for this website, and take initiative and fill the forms, appear in examination. You can also select in this coffee board. So it is also very important for us. Another one is coconut development board. So most of the students they have a degree in agriculture as well as food technology or biotechnology, so they can apply for these organizations. So time to time this organization also publish their requirement. Another one is National Bee Board. So also we have opportunity in the National Bee Board, and NABL laboratory. So we have opportunity in NABL laboratories. So NABL organizations so which is established in 1998, and the founders are Department of Science and Technology. So this is the accreditation service. So as a jury member and as a technical officer, we can also select in this organization National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. Now another one is the very important organization is T board. So we can also select in T board. So time to time this organization also publish their requirement, and they also recruit food technologists. Another one is QCI. So basically, right now, 20 is the last date of QCI recruitment. So if you have a degree, just go through the QCI, and the last date of QCI, they recruit some technical officers, and also some expert who have a degree in food technology and have an experience of 4 years. So today, after this session, you can go through this website, just go for QCI and go in interface of select a recruitment section. So tomorrow is the last date. So I hope my voice is audible, and you can also chat with me, right? And if you have any query, discuss with me. Now, next one is National Dairy Development Board. So time to time, National Dairy Development Board also recruit their requirement, and they recruit candidates. So we have opportunity in National Dairy Development Board. Another one is if you talk about when we go for private organizations. So basically, you know about private organizations like that, processing industries, food processing industries. Another one is some machineries. From machineries, we can also make different types of product, right? So we can also go for engineering department where the some instruments are made, some of the sophisticated instruments are also made. So another one, all processing industries, we are eligible because of we are a food technologist, we have a degree in food technology, as well as we have some speciality to analysis in food. So we can go for the lab also. So these all are the private sectors. If you talk about some of the brands and some of the companies like that, the Nestle, Parle, and different food industries, we are eligible as a food technologist. So basically, our organization iiocs conduct this workshop for enhancement to boost how to do our degree, and after degree which type of work we should do, right? So if you have a degree in food technology, so firstly you can go for food safety officer in government organization, as well as you can go for technical officer, as well as you can also go for food analyst, and also you go for the designated officer. This is a very good job as well as a very respective job, and the eligibility is only bachelor degree in science, just remember, and the post is upper than food safety officer. But most of the students who are willing to join food safety officer, but they don't know about the designated officer. So the post of designated officer is higher than food safety officer as well as technical officer, right? So if you have a master degree and if you want to go for academics, so there is a huge scope, because of in India, you know, UGC University Grant Commission mandate the requirement of PhD as well as NET. In 2018, they mandate the requirement of PhD, and in 2020, the month of December, the UGC gave the guideline to universities. If you want to do PhD, so first of all, you have a net. So in our food technology, basically, I'm talking about who have a degree in food technology, master's degree in food technology. After bachelor degree, maybe you have a bachelor degree in BSc, or you have a BTech food technology. After that, you have a MTech food technology or MSc food technology. And also, if you have a BVoc food technology or BVoc food processing as well as MVoc food processing, you all are the eligible for PhD and you go for academics. So first of all, ASRB, Agricultural Recruitment Scientist Board, ASRB, Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board, sorry. So this organization conduct the examination of NET as well as ARS. Okay, so if you qualify ARS, you can select as a scientist. And if you talk about in past year, in 2020, so they recruit also scientists, and there was a 4 vacancies in ASRB, ARS. So 2 for general category and 2 for other category. So the minimum eligibility was only master degree. Means that after your master degree, you appear in examination of ARS and you will be a scientist in ASRB, and you will be posted in any ICAR organizations, right? So we have opportunity. We go for academics. We can also go for private industries. We also go for government jobs. So I was already discussed with you the government about the government jobs. So now I'm discuss with you what about ARS, ASRB net. So after when you clear the ASRB net, you direct go for PhD. But the thing is that if you have a degree from traditional universities, means that those university, if not accredited with ICAR, so you cannot appear in ICAR, SRF or SRA examination, right? So in 2018, ICAR mandated this regulation. Okay, so if you have a degree from ICAR recognized universities, and also another one is ICAR mandate, if your bachelor degree, if you have done your bachelor degree from private college, and which private college not accredited through ICAR, means that you are not eligible to do your masters in ICAR recognized institutes. So there is a very big problem. After that, so what we can do? So we go only for ARS net if we have a degree in food technology from traditional universities. So the question arises, from where we can get our JRF for doing our PhD. So in food technology, if you are degree from traditional university, you cannot get JRF from ICAR, first of all. Second, if you have degree from traditional universities, so we have options. So most of the students, they don't know about these options from where we can get JRF, right? So firstly, just remember 3 organizations. First organization, ASRB. So we go for ASRB net for food technology. Second one is, if we want JRF, because of for traditional university student ICAR, they not provide any JRF. If your degree is from ICAR recognized institutes, then you are eligible. But most of the students, they have done their degree from traditional universities, from technical universities, right? So after that, what you can do? So you go through UGC Home Science. You appear this examination each year. This organization NTA UGC net, they conducted this examination, but due to COVID they conduct only once in 1 year this examination. So maybe in February or March, UGC and TNet, they publish their requirement or publish their notification for net 2020, UGC net 2020. So if you want to do your PhD with scholarship, with JRF, you direct go for home science, right? Another option is CSIR Life Science. You have a degree in food technology, so food technology degree comes under the CSIR Life Science. So you can also go for CSIR, appear this examination, and you get JRF and go for PhD. Means that for our PhD, if we are eligible and if we are willing to do PhD, so just we go for only JRF. From which organization? JRF with subject of home science we are eligible, and this examination conducted by NTA UGC net, and second one is we also go for CSIR Life Science. So we can get JRF from these two organizations. But where the recruitment process of academicians, so our degree in food technology, so there is the eligibility conditions of home science as well as life science which is not applicable, where only ASRB net is applicable, right? So this is main difference. If you want to do PhD with JRF and you have a degree from traditional university, means that those universities not accredited with ICR. So first of all, only you go through home science and life science, but this JRF is not applicable in your final recruitment as an academicians. So for this reason you also qualify, and it is mandatory to qualify ASRB net in food technology, and the eligibility is master's degree in food technology. I hope Deepak Kumar, Mr. Deepak Kumar, I hope my voice is audible to all of you. This is the rapid question answer session. Sir, I have done my BTech in biotechnology, so can I apply for QCI vacancies? So, Mr. Deepak ji, you can go through website and check the eligibility. Basically, 4 year experience they require. Deepak Kumar ji, I hope my voice is audible to all of you. You can also chat with me if you have any query. Yes, if you have any query, you can discuss with me. I hope my voice is audible to all of you. If you have any query, you can discuss with me. Okay. Akib Nazar, sir, I am a fresher MSc in food technology. Where can I apply in government sector? Yes, you can also apply in government sector. Also in Chhattisgarh, you can also apply for food officer. In Chhattisgarh, you can also apply. Mr. Akib Nazar. Right now, the vacancy is going on in Chhattisgarh. Through Vyapam, you can go. Akib Nazar. I hope my voice is audible to you, Akib Nazar. Okay, if you have any query, you can ask with me. Okay, Drupdal Mahante, I have done my postgraduate MSc in agriculture, horticulture, fruit science. Okay, so in fruit science, you can also Drupdal Mahante, you can also apply for Chhattisgarh food safety officer. Sorry, not food safety officer, it is a food supply officer. Sorry for that, it is a food supply officer, so you can also apply for this. Durdal Mahante. SB Singh, sir, I have done MTech in biochemical engineering, can I appear for UGC net home science? Yes, you can also appear in UGC home science. Yes, and also you can apply for a CSIR life science. SB Singh, you can also apply for CSIR life science. Okay, anybody? So basically, our organization iiocs, these organizations give uh, tutorials as well as lectures as well as guidelines as well as consultancy to students how to crack ASRB net, how to crack UGC net, and how to crack CSIR Life Science net, and how to crack GATE. So, if you are willing to crack this examination, so you can directly contact with us and you go for this IIOCS website, you can contact with us and uh, as per your requirement, we will give you guideline, we give you tutorials to how to qualify. We have experts, those experts from some IITs and some NITs and reputed universities. So our mentors have a high qualified as well as they have a degree in food technology and they have a also degree in different streams. So we have a strong network of these mentors. So Raja Ramgiri, sir, I am a nutrition honor student. Can I apply as a food safety officer? Basically, the requirement of food safety officer is a degree in food technology, right? So if you have a nutrition, just go for FSSAI website and you can also opt because of in food technology there is a recruitment process and the eligibility of this is bachelor degree in food technology, BTech dairy technology, MSc chemistry. If you have a biotechnology, if you have a horticulture, and if you have a degree in medicine, so you can also apply for food safety officer. So Rajaram Giri, you go for FSSAI website and check the eligibility. Rajaram Giri, you can also find this recruitment process if you go in section number 37, section number 38 and section number 39. These sections is related with food safety officer. So all recruitment process you can find from. And I'm just going to share, just wait, I'm going to share this. Okay, I hope screen is visible to all of you. You are asking about food safety officer recruitment. Yes, I am inaudible. Okay, you can ask any questions. Okay, anybody else? If you have a query, you can ask with me. Okay, Sakshi Nijon, you have a degree in food science. So, if you have a degree in food science, so why you opt set examination? You go for net examination, opt net examination, and if you are willing to do this, so you can also apply. But in case of set examination, there is a very narrow line, right? So for recruitment process, you will be not eligible. Remember it. For recruitment process, you will not eligible in academic because of if you have a degree in food technology. So first of all, you qualify ASRB net examination. And how to qualify net examination? How to qualify ASRB net? So you come with us and basically uh, I was missed this session like that in previous examination, ASRB net examination. So in past history, we have a very great result of ASRB net examination, and I hope you believe approximately 80% of students they qualify net examination in last year from our organization. So most of the students, because of 20% students, they are only fresher students and they only appear students in MSc Food Technology, and rest of students they have a degree in MSc Food Technology or MTech Food Technology. They all qualified. Only 20% students they are only appeared students and they just try for net examination. So their mark is very high, but if you talk about the cutoff, so from 1 to 2 marks they not qualified, only 20% of students, and I hope those students will qualify in next examination because of all are the freshest students. And the higher percentage of qualifying net is approximately 65%. So they qualify ASRB net with 65%. Most of the students have a 55%, 58%, 60%, and some of students also qualified ARS net through our organization. I hope you believe on it. Just you go for iiocs and select your course and go for your net preparation or gate preparation. If you have any query, you can also ask. Sir, biochemical engineering, which net is better, home science or CSI net? So as we think, I have already discussed with you, because only for JRF, right, and your degree in biochemical engineering, so your CSI or life science net will be better. you go for CSIR Life Science Net, SBC. CSIR Net Life Science, you go for this. Okay, anybody having a question? Okay, so I hope your query is solved. So now I am going to close this stream. No, SB Singh, UGC net valid in ICR colleges. So if you go for ICR colleges for academic purpose, means that if you want to be an assistant professor in ICR recognized colleges and ICR recognized institutes. So first of all, if you have a degree in home science, then you can go for ICR institutes. But ICR also conduct the home science examination. ASRB net also conduct home science examination. So if you are degree in home science, so you go for ASRB net home science. Okay, anybody else? किसी को अगर कोई क्वेरी है तो मुझे बता दे. Okay. Yes, this workshop is also conducted tomorrow. Akib Nazir. Okay. So I hope. Okay. So can I end this session? All participants. If you have not query, so I'm going to close this session. Okay. Thank you to all of you.